Hello guys, Fabiano here again. Today I will show you how to blur text when you want to present and you want to move your text over your footage. It creates a motion blur. By the way, Cambodia is written in Portuguese. These are the versions I use on KDEnlive and Ubuntu. And the first thing is to load all the footage. I put everything in my timeline. Then we create a title clip with the name of each country. You center everything, do everything you want to, how you want to the finished product, how you want the text to appear. Then you overlay the text over your footage, and then you create a transition. In this case I will put slide transition and then select the end point and the start point. For the blur effect, I use the box blur, and you have to use just one direction. For the blur effect, I use the box blur, and I use just the horizontal blur, so it seems that it's moving. Since the movement it's on the horizontal axis, it looks like it's being blurred by the effect. You have to create some keyframes, and then you select when the blur, when the text is moving, it becomes more sharp. You have to tuning everything according to the size of your footage, how long the text is moving, and the amount of blur you want. Here you can see every keyframe have a different effect. Now you can see the final result. If you want to learn how to make your text jiggle, you can watch this video here. Hope this is useful, and thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.